Good afternoon, viewers, and on today's video I'm going to tell you why I think still Khao San Rd area is the best area to stay for travellers. I first stayed down here in 1991 and I still stay here now. On this video I'm going to tell you why I like it and why I continue to stay around this area. But first things, I'm hungry. I've not eaten yet today. So just a couple of doors down from my hotel is this little Muslim place. Okay. And for under 100 baht I can get something decent to eat here. I have one beef biryani.
Finished.
Oh, finished. Okay. Chicken it is. Only 60 baht. That's less than £1.50. And now I fancy a Michelin star dessert. Yes, Michelin star. Here we are, Patongos. It's famous for these little dough things. They're a bit like donuts, to be honest with you. We get this one, 60 baht. Out. They take the donut and they grill it. It's with ice cream. Vanilla. And this costs 60 baht. Same price as my main meal. We have homemade ice cream. I'm getting mine with vanilla. For 60 baht to get like a donut with vanilla ice cream. A grilled donut. It's had Michelin awards, so it's got to be good. Also sells other things as well. It combines as a restaurant. And here it is. He gets the grilled donut and cuts it up into bits. And puts ice cream on top of it, then some chocolatey sauce. That's what you get for 60 baht. Here at Patongos. And it was absolutely delicious. At the 7-Eleven, here's an unusual one you don't see everywhere. The chicken green curry sandwich. Cup. And talk about fast food. Look at these guys going. There's a huge queue. Well, it must be good. He's preparing mango and sticky rice. Lots of people going to lots of places. Khao San Rd is only one street away. A lot of buses from here go all over the country. Fake Nikes. Oh, she's late for the bus. And the next day, I'm going to take a walk around the area, show you what else is around here. There's lots of travel agents. This is why this place is so good for travellers. Everything a traveller will need is around the Khao San Rd area. There's also plenty of budget accommodation. You can get SIM cards, clothes. And now I'm hungry. This early evening, I'm on Butri, which is one of my favourite roads because it's not too busy. There's only one or two cars come down here, and the odd bike. So it's a good area for walking, and it's a good place to have your dinner. It should be dark in about an hour, and I've been doing a lot of walking today, so I want something to eat and a cold Singer beer. And I think this will do. I could sit down here and get harassed by all the vendors. Time for a beer. That was a Penang chicken curry for 150 baht, which is not too bad really. We have some lovely lanterns over there, and now it's time for the vendors. A nice new Mercedes here in Butri. $150 for the curry, $160 for the beer. If you want any food to take home, or on the way home, you're spoiled for choice. All the nighttime street food is out now. Another reason I like this area, you can get anything pretty much any time of the day. Even French fries. And my last stop of the evening for my dessert is here at Swenson's. They have a 99 peso promo on, a coconut ice cream which I'll show you in a minute. Here it is. They're quite interesting, these concoctions they make at Swenson's. The green stuff is coconut. The red stuff is, well, red purple, that's actually sweetened rice, flavoured with ube, I think. It's pretty tasty. This is coconut. And that's my dessert. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video of the Khao San Rd area and why I like it.